I mean, amalanga akho ngiwayenza abe mahle musi nje. So ngathi uyangixaka ke manje uzwa.
What up guys? Yeah, Sima from Spreading Humors guys has just confirmed that her and Andy they've just broke up guys, and there are three guys who are interested, and the other one she's not interested into him guys. So guys, here's Sima confirming that they have broke up, her and Andy the guys.
Who am I talking to? Oh my gosh, is this one? No, I get it. No, okay. There's this one. He said he wants to take me out on a date. I'm like, okay, sharp, we'll see. Then there's another one. Yeah, I don't really like him. But
just thinking.
No.
How many do you have? How many?
Three. But you see that one. There's that one.
There's always a
guys.
favorite.
There's that one, Kostiam. And like Ipara Eli Rich. Like he's so
He's rich.
like one of those rich kids. Like one of those
that
rich
dropped
kids.
you off
Pardon?
last week.
Yes.
Make I want to say what.
Yes, Tiena. Oh man, guys.
No tama ka kulengwa. Emo gitsumela ela se kolo ya.
Koloyada.
That's a cat.
Yep guys, that was Sima confirming the breakup between her and Andy the guys. So I don't know what to take on this one. You can leave your comments down in the comment section. I would love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.